How to split last name and first names in Excel using flash fill. Here column B contains the list of full names. Now I want to split the full name into first name and last name in two different columns. For that, under first name column, I just type first name of John Smith, John, and hit enter. Then press Ctrl plus E, flash fill option. So here are the first names. Similarly, for the last name column, type last name of John Smith, that is Smith, S-M-I-T-H, and hit enter. Press Ctrl plus E. Excel fills the last name as it recognizes the pattern. In this way, we have splitted full name into first name and last names in two different columns. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.